guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. It's already that time of the month again where I show you what I got in my Stitch Fix this month. This is fix number 52 for me and it's a pretty good one. It's not gonna be as great as the last one where I kept everything, but it's still a pretty decent one. My stylist again this month was Lindsay. I'm really excited that I finally found someone that I can kind of stick with because it's been a while. So Lindsay, for this fix, sent me a romper, a pair of shorts, 2 tops, and a dress. For this month, I do think I'm only keeping 1 item, though there is a second item that I really want to keep because I really like it, but I'm just like, do I need it? But I'll at least start off with the item that I'm definitely keeping, which kind of surprised me, and then I'll follow it up with the item that I'm thinking about keeping, and then I'll follow it up with the items that I'm not keeping. So the item that I'm definitely keeping this month is this top from the brand Luck, and it is the Rhee Tie Front top. First of all, I love this color so much. This gorgeous, like, dusty purple. Absolutely love this. I love the flow of the sleeves. They kind of have like a bell-shaped sleeve to them, which normally I don't like that too much, but I like it on this top. I love the neckline cut. It kind of dips down as a V-neck. And a while ago, I kept saying that I don't really like tops that have this like unnecessary tie in the front. They're kind of growing on me. And I love it on this top. I love the floral pattern on it, the little flowers. Absolutely love it. It is super comfortable. It's very lightweight. I love the length of it. I just really enjoy everything about this top. It also doesn't hurt that this is the cheapest item in the box, coming in at $38. I just love everything about this. It looked great on. It feels really good on. It's super lightweight, very breathable. There wasn't really anything about this top that I didn't like. Even the front tie, which I said a while ago that I don't like those. And ever since I've said that, they're kind of growing on me. What's that about? So I'm definitely keeping this one. There's really nothing negative I could say about it other than the fact, I will say, one little tiny negative. The tie in the front, these are a little long, I feel like. I don't know, maybe that's just me. They just feel kind of long compared to the rest of the top, but it's not enough for me to be like, oh, I definitely don't want that, because I really do want this top. It's not like the softest material, but it's also not like a harsh material. Like, you've heard me talk about some soft materials before. It's not like that blanket kind of material that I really enjoy, but if it were, it wouldn't be very lightweight. This is a very lightweight top, and I love this dusty purple color. I think what drew me most to it is that I don't have many purple tops, especially this shade of purple. If I have purple tops, they're usually like eggplant or something like that. I love this dusty heather purple almost. And the little flower details are just so pretty. This next item is the one that I'm like kind of on the fence about keeping, but I'm like, do I really need it? And that is this pair of shorts from Just USA. It is the Jossie Fray hem high-rise short, and it retails for $48. I love how these shorts feel on, how they look on. I love that high-waisted pants are in style now. Absolutely love that. Continue to be that way. I love the little distressing that's around the pants. I love the frayed hem, which is also something that has grown on me since I've started Stitch Fix. I didn't used to like this like raw frayed hem at the bottom of pants or shorts, but they've grown on me. These are super stretchy, so they've got a little bit of give to them. I just love how they feel on. I'm just like, do I need another pair of black shorts? Honestly, the answer is yes, always, but I'm like, for $48, do I? I kind of want them. I don't know, the more I stare at them, the more I'm like, I don't really want to send them back. The only downside to them, and this is such a silly reasoning, but I have the bladder the size of like a peanut. And so when you have pants like this that have multiple buttons that you have to get undone trying to go to the bathroom, it gets a little dicey in the bathroom. You're sitting there going like, am I gonna make it? Because you got all these buttons to undo. That's the only complaint I have about it. But it's not enough for me to be like, oh, I definitely would write those off, because I wouldn't. Because these are really nice black shorts. It'd be great just for like dressing up for a date night, or even great to take to a live show again. Hallelujah, those are coming back. I don't know. Do I want to keep them? I kind of do. Do I though? But I just really like how they feel. They look really nice on. I have a lot of black shorts, but I don't have a lot of high-waisted ones. They're like just the regular waistline, but I really like the high-waisted ones. They like hold everything in and I enjoy that. And also a little bit of stretch, a little bit forgiven. I don't know, they just feel really good on. I'm leaning towards keeping them, but I don't know yet. All right, so now moving on to the 3 items that I'm definitely not keeping. Nothing inherently wrong with these except for one, and I'm gonna save that one for last, and it's not even the item's fault. I don't know whose fault it is. So the first item that I'm definitely not keeping is this romper from Market and Spruce Lounge, which pains me because I absolutely love Market and Spruce. It's super soft, it's super comfy. I would probably fall asleep in this. I'd do chores around the house in this, but then you could also dress it up and go out with it. It's the Larsa Lounge Elastic Waist Romper, and it retails for $48, so the same as the shorts. The only reason why I'm not keeping it is because I have quite a few rompers as it is right now that don't get worn nearly as much as I would like for them to get worn. I love rompers, absolutely love them. They're super easy. Another little problem with them though is when you really have to use the bathroom and you have to basically strip down to go to the bathroom. That's kind of weird, but I do enjoy it. Just not enough to buy it. This is definitely not a buy all box because the last 2 items I'm gonna show, I just wasn't a fan of them. This one is kind of middle of the road. I really like it, but not enough to purchase it. I do really love the color. Navy is one of my favorite colors to wear. It looks really good with my hair. Super nice and soft. Love that it has pockets, of course. I also like the back. It's not like a high back. So like, you know, it dips down in the front, but in the back, it also dips down. So it's like the same on both sides. I do enjoy that. Elastic waist, really nice. Nothing too special about it to make me want to keep it. This next item is also from Market and Spruce, so it absolutely pains me that I'm sending 2 Market and Spruce items back because I love Market and Spruce items. And it is the Ariyah knit tank dress. I just didn't like how this looked on me. I don't mind, but I also don't care for the red and navy pattern. I have one dress from Stitch Fix that I got a while ago, and I haven't worn it since I kept it, and I think it's mostly because of this color combo. I don't know, it seems a little harsh to me, the navy and the red. But the main thing that I really did not like about this dress is this massive waistband in the middle. It's elastic, but it's like stiff elastic. And I felt like it sat too low on me and just didn't look right. I love dresses that do have pockets though, which this one does. This one you could do a lot with. I just wasn't feeling it for me. And I think the majority of it is the color combo as well as this elastic waistband. Like, it's a very stiff elastic, but it just sat in a weird spot on me. Like, I felt like it should have been up a little bit higher, but no, it was down like, felt like around my belly button. I don't think it was actually that low, but that's where it felt like it was. But it is a very nice casual tank dress, soft. Market and Spruce always has super soft, like jersey knit clothing. I just wasn't feeling it. So this last item I really wanted to like. And I think I might have liked it more if this one thing didn't happen, but let me tell you about this top first. I also just realized this is also by Market and Spruce. So it pains me that I'm sending 3 Market and Spruce items back. Out of the 5 items in this fix, 3 are Market and Spruce, and I'm definitely sending them back. So it kind of pains me to say that. But it is the Parker button-down shirt. I had asked for a specific button-down shirt by, I don't even, like Beach Lunch something, that was the name of the company. I had seen it on Stitch Fix's app where you can like go shopping, and I was like, ooh, send me that. Lindsay said that they didn't quite have it available at the time of her styling my fix, so she sent something that was kind of similar. I don't mind this top. There are a lot of ways you can wear it. You can wear it just as a button-down top. You could even like tie the front and have it have a cropped look to it. I don't even mind the color scheme where it's kind of like burgundy mauve and like a little bit of yellow gold type-ish and then like an off-white coloring. However, when I pulled this top out of the box, there's like a stain of where food or something sat. Like when I pulled it out of the box and I was unbuttoning it, there was like a piece of food that got stuck on the top below this button. I had to flick it off, but it left this stain, and like I know I could wash it and everything like that, but that was just so off-putting that I can't tell if like someone tried this before me and like it just didn't get looked at before it got put in my box or what, but the fact that there was like this food just like caked on this top was kind of gross and very off-putting. And like when I went to try the top on, I just lost all positive feelings about it. I didn't think it looked too great on me anyway, but just like that whole thing. Also, when you're trying to get the buttons undone, I don't know if you can see the frayed, like the buttonhole that it goes through. It's very frayed and it just doesn't seem like it's Market & Spruce's good quality item like they usually have. So just everything about this kind of put me in a bad mood towards it. So I'm definitely not keeping it. And this retails for $44. Also, I'm not sure if I said it, but the dress also retails for $44. So this top and the previous dress are the same amount. Initially looking at this top, I don't mind it, but then just kind of everything snowballed afterwards and I was like, I'm not feeling this at all. So if I were to keep all 5 things, which I'm not, the grand total is $222. You get all 5, you take off that 25%, which is $55.50. It brings it down to $166.50, which is pretty good for all 5 of those items. But since I'm really not feeling 2 of them, 1 of them I'm just neutral about, and then 2 of them I really like, obviously I won't get that discount. If I get the 2 items that I'm looking at, so the first top and then the pair of shorts, it would be $86, which I'm kind of willing to spend because I do really like those shorts, but I'm definitely getting that top. So it's just coming to the decision of would I rather just spend $38 on the top, or would I like to put on the shorts as well and bring it to 86. It's still under 100, so that's not bad. I honestly think like during this filming, I'm starting to lean more toward keeping the shorts because they just feel really nice and I like them. I'll put either in the pinned comment or in the description below whether or not I keep the shorts, but I'm kind of leaning that way. So that is it for this fix. This is fix number 52 for me. Let me know what you liked in this fix or didn't like in this fix. Also, if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself, I do have a referral link in the description below. I do get a little bit of credit if you do go through with trying a fix. It does help to kind of keep these videos going. So no pressure though if you're not interested in trying it at all. But if you've never tried it before and have been interested to do so, the referral link is in the description. Special thank you to my patrons. You can help support the channel on Patreon while having access to videos early, viewing patron-only content, and more. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.